Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to change your Xfinity Wi-Fi password in 2025. Whether you're beefing up your home security or just want to keep things fresh, updating your password is a quick and easy way to protect your network from potential threats. Stick around because I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this in no time. First things first, make sure you're on a device connected to your Xfinity Wi-Fi network. Open your web browser and head over to the Xfinity website at xfinity.com. Once there, click on the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter your Xfinity username and password. That's the one for your account, not your Wi-Fi. After logging in, navigate to the Internet section in your account dashboard. Look for the Wi-Fi or Network Settings tab. Here, you'll see options for your gateway device. Click on Edit next to your Wi-Fi network name. Now, scroll down to the password field. This is where you enter your new password. Make it strong. Aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, at least 12 characters long for better security. Once you've typed in your new password, double-check it for any typos, then hit Save or Apply Changes. Xfinity might ask you to restart your gateway, so go ahead and do that if prompted. It usually takes just a minute or two. To verify everything worked, try connecting a device to your Wi-Fi using the new password. If it connects smoothly, you're all set. If you run into any issues, like login errors, check your internet connection or contact Xfinity support through their app or website. And there you have it. You're now a pro at changing your Xfinity Wi-Fi password in 2025. Remember, regularly updating your password is key to keeping your data safe. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.